back to my channel. So this past month I've been doing a whole lifestyle shift, like 30 days of fitness, to just see the changes that I can make body wise in 30 days. So I did 4 days a week working out, and I meal prepped and changed how I was eating, and so I will show you guys the progress and the reactions to my results, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I just got back from the grocery store, and as you know, I am doing my 30-day challenge, so gotta change my eating habits. So I went on a crazy grocery haul, so I will show you guys what I bought. I bought 3 lunch containers, balsamic vinegar, potatoes, almond milk, salmon, chicken, and beef, broccoli, kale, more broccoli, tomatoes, ramen for cheat days, 1 for me and 1 for my aunt. This is my favorite ramen. I think it's the best flavor. It used to be, my favorite one used to be the black one, but now it's this one. Best ramen taste ever. I figured the easier way not to be tempted by ramen is to have not the packs, but the individuals. So let's see how that goes. Hoisin sauce, bananas for my shakes and my household. They go through a lot of bananas. I should have bought 3, but lime. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, guys. I wanted kimbap, but they didn't have tuna, so I bought, it's crab, fish cake, whatever, but like, how am I supposed to eat all these? And it was buy one get one free, which I should have rejected, but I was like, oh, it's free. So, oh, this one's completely vegetable, so that's an option for me too, to work for lunch tomorrow. I'm gonna eat probably this one right now while I'm cooking. Baby bok choy. I've never cooked that before, but that's what the ingredients called for, so. Cucumber for my smoothies in the morning. Well, I said cucumbers like there's more than one, it's just one. Because every time I get like more than 2, it always expires before I use it. Tangerines, you know. I'm trying a new food plan, so if I'm too hungry, that's what the tangerines are for, so I have a snack. I also bought yogurt too, just in case I get too hungry. In college, I cut down on the amount I ate because I eat a lot of food, and I cut down on like salt and stuff or whatever when I got abs. But the issue was, like, I realized I cut down too much because I got lightheaded in the gym, and then I was like, okay, Kimberly, like, you need to eat more. So that's why I bought these, just in case. I don't want that to happen again. So this is one of my favorite Chobani flavors. It's the mixed berry. It's so delicious. This one and blackberry are my favorite regular ones. And then I also like the peach, and raspberry is always good, you know. So then I bought Parmesan cheese for a recipe, sour cream, more yogurt. So this is Oui by Yoplait. Mango is the best one. And then I also bought key lime just to try it out. All of the recipes that I am going to be doing today are all from HelloFresh. I did not buy it, but they have the recipes on the website. I do plan on buying it when I have more money, but right now I don't, and I'm not living on my own. So, well, I'm gonna get started cooking. Oh, I look dusty. Hey guys, so I've been doing a terrible job at updating you regarding this 30-day fitness challenge thing. So my first day was supposed to be Monday, but I had a terrible Monday. Headache, overslept, craziness. So my first official day regarding working out was Tuesday, and I did, it wasn't really leg day. I did like 3 leg exercises out of 8, but let me tell you guys, my thighs hurt so bad. And on the list, it was to do calf raises, and I was like, I never understood calf raises, and then I did some, and I was like, these are dumb. And then I did like the second set, and I was like, my bad, calf raises, because my legs started hurting. And then literally, usually I feel sore the day after or 2 days after I work out. No, I felt it right after. Like, I got home, my legs were like jello. It was crazy. Oh, I did arms today too. My arms hurt. Okay, anyway, the meal prep went well. The food tastes pretty good. As you guys, well, you guys don't know, you just saw my grocery haul, but I didn't taste any of the food I made that night. I ended up going to sleep at 2 a.m. because I made 3 dishes and I washed the dishes. So crazy, but the food was good. Yeah, so it's been going pretty well. I really didn't want to go to the gym today, but I was like, Kimberly, just go because then you have the next day off. So I went today. It was arms day. It was only like 5 arm exercises, but let me tell you, my arms do kind of hurt. And I didn't get to finish the workout. I still have to do some diamond push-ups, which I will do tomorrow morning since I'm not going to the gym. Tomorrow is my day off from the gym, so I'm gonna sleep in, enjoy, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, so far so good. Monday was a little fail because my coworker's roommate came in with like cookies that she was gonna sell at some event we were doing. Oh, my arm hurts so much, guys. It's so hard to hold this tripod. But basically my coworker's like, you have to try her cookies or you'll hurt her feelings, because she worked hard on them. And I'm like, but today is the start of me eating healthy. Why are you trying to already make me feel? She's like, I don't care. You can start in a few hours. And I was like, okay. So I had 2 cookies, 2 and part of a cookie, which is pretty good. So yeah, it's been going pretty well. I am very sore. I will keep you guys updated. Y'all, I just finished my first week of my workout journey. My arms feel like they're dying. I can barely hold this tripod, but just want to give you an update. I was drenched before I came in, but 10 minutes kind of dried up my face. But yeah, I have to go get my hair done, so I will catch you guys after. Hey guys, I wanted to check in real quick. I look crazy, but I just came back from the gym. You know, I'm just tired. I hurt my back and I don't know how. I don't think it was at the gym. I didn't start hurting until midway through work yesterday, so I think maybe I did something. But I'm slowly starting to see the results at the gym, especially with my arms. You know, you guys can't see it, but anyway, I can feel it when I move my arms, right? That's all that matters. But I think I need to ramp up the abs because I'm not seeing as much progress as I would like. So I've been doing a good job keeping up with you guys, but so far so good. I have a lot more energy now that I changed the way I eat. I do feel the difference. I know before I would always say I don't feel the difference, like eating healthier and working out, but adding it with sleep, I feel, sorry guys, I just came back from the gym, so I'm like out of breath, but adding it with sleep, I feel so much more energetic and so much more alive. Anyways, I need to get ready now. So you guys, my fitness journey had to wrap up the week after Halloween, and I have succumbed to the Halloween goodies, and yeah, a little cheating is going on. Let's not judge me here, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go eat my candy. Yo, I'm so tired of this 4-day-a-week working out thing. I just don't want to go today. I should go today, so I don't have to go after I get my hair braided, but I'm tired. So I have to go after I get my hair braided. So I'll go tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday towards the later part of the day. Last week, guys, I gotta finish all my workouts. Going back to sleep now. Hey y'all, so today is the last day of working out according to the schedule. It's been a ride. I almost didn't do this last workout, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. I was out the door when I realized I'm very ashy and it's like 4 p.m. and that's no longer acceptable. I usually go as I am in the morning because it's like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. kind of thing, but yeah, guys, this ain't gonna fly. Let me show you. It's hard to see, isn't it? But anyways, time to lotion and go to the gym. I hate that I'm putting this on because I'm gonna shower after. Oh, too much. And since I'm already up here. All right, let's go. Hey guys, so I'm sitting in my room about to edit this 30-day lifestyle change video. Basically me changing my eating habits
and my working out habits for 30 days. And I actually wanted to do a live reaction for you guys because I have not looked at any of the pictures side by side since I started taking them. So first I'll just go through all the pictures and then I'll put my first and my last picture side by side. Okay, lots of curves, not flattering ones. The side roll. Oh yeah, I definitely let myself go a little too far. Wow. Okay, first week looking rough. Second week not so bad. Oh, those back rolls. Okay, second week. Oh, these are so blurry. I mean, a bit better, I think. Wow, third week looking pretty good. Getting rid of the double rolls at the front. On the side, the back still needs work. Fifth week. See the side changes. The front changes. A little back change on the left side. Honestly speaking, from what I just looked through, I don't really see that much of a difference. Let's do the side by side and see if I feel a little better about my progress. I honestly barely see a difference. I see a little definition in my arms. I see, yeah, less rolls on my like front. Like, oh gosh, I really let myself like go. Oh my goodness, this is actually the worst I've ever looked, guys. So this is interesting for me. All right, let's take a look at the sides. I can see I have more toned arms. Let me see about my legs. Legs look the same. I don't really care about my legs. I like my legs. But yeah, the sides look smaller, like less rolls on my side. So that's cool. That's good. Back rolls need a lot of work still, but it does look a little thinner and my butt looks a little bit more perky.
So this video concept was very difficult for me. Many times I didn't want to go to the gym, or many times I had to make up the things that I didn't do before. Like I cut a workout short because I woke up too late, or I was rushing, or I had other things to do. The meal prep process was just so time consuming. It took so long to prepare like so much food. But overall, I can't say I did feel better. I felt stronger. I felt like more energized, so I did see the difference that way. But as you guys can see, in terms of like appearance, I did not get the results that I expected, which you can't really expect much because it was only 30 days. That's such a short time to actually see results. But it was a good shot and a good try, and what I've done now is I've kind of edited what I did before to suit what I'm going for, and so moving forward I will keep like the same energy in terms of working out, and in terms of eating, I'll probably stick to my shake and a sandwich for lunch, and then for dinner eat whatever, just because of how my living situation is right now. But you guys can see, a lot of you probably be like, there's no changes, blah blah blah, but some people's bodies are like that. And also I mentioned in the video that I really went crazy this time, so this is the heaviest I've been, and like in terms of weight and look wise. I didn't weigh myself, I just took pictures. I don't really believe in weighing yourself. There's just so many elements to your body weight that is not taken into account when you step on a regular scale. So I just don't think that's fair to me or fair to anyone. So you should probably think about just not stepping on a scale. It doesn't account for muscle, like tissue, water weight, all that kind of stuff. So I don't know, it was a good change of pace. It inspired me a little bit more in terms of like working out. Maybe I'll keep grinding, and then I will show you guys the results way later, not on a specific routine. I can't promise I'll do well this month. Honestly, I'll try my best in like working out and eating, but it's holiday season and that's the worst time to be like trying to get into shape and whatever. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more videos similar to this, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz, and don't mind my how I look right now. You know, I just didn't film the intro or outro. But if you guys want to know what I did working out wise, I can let you know like every day what I did. My workout changed every week, so yeah. So if you guys want to see what I did and everything, just let me know. Bye. Oh.